Can a single flower change a life when the heart is truly kind? This story uses very easy English, gentle emotions, and a beautiful folktale lesson, perfect for beginners who want to learn English through stories. Welcome to Talk Through Tales, where simple stories help you learn English and life lessons together. Today, let us enjoy a calm and meaningful South Korean folk tale called The Golden Lotus. Long ago, in a peaceful village, there lived a poor girl named Ara. She lived with their old mother in a small house near a pond. They had little food, but they were always kind. Every morning, Ara cleaned the pond and watered the plants. She loved nature and spoke softly to the flowers. Why did Ara care so much about a simple pond? One day, Ara saw an old woman sitting near the pond. She looked weak, tired, and hungry. Without fear or delay, Ara gave her rice and clean water. The old woman smiled and said, "Because your heart is pure, come here tomorrow morning." Who was this old woman? The next morning, Ara went to the pond early. Suddenly, a golden lotus bloomed on the water. It shone brightly like the morning sun. The old woman appeared again and said, "This lotus brings happiness, but only to kind hearts. Would Ara use this gift wisely?" Ara took the lotus home carefully. Her house became warm and clean. Food appeared and her sick mother became healthy. Ara did not become proud. She shared food with neighbors and helped poor people. One day, a greedy man tried to steal the golden lotus. As soon as he touched it, the flower turned into mud. The lotus returned to the pond forever. Ara smiled and continued her simple, kind life. Moral of the story: kindness is the real gold. Greed destroys magic. The golden lotus reminds us that a good heart is the greatest treasure. If this story made you smile or think, like the video, subscribe to Talk Through Tales. Share this story with friends and students.